What you need to know about UAE's luxury train. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing everything you need to know about Etihad Rail's luxury train. The Etihad Rail is one of the world's most luxurious train journeys, stretching 1,200 kilometers across the UAE's desert landscapes. Glimpse of Etihad Rail. One of the key offerings of Etihad Rail is its luxury train service, designed to provide passengers with a comfortable and opulent travel experience. 1. Connectivity. The luxury train service is part of the UAE's broader Etihad Rail network, which connects major cities like Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Al Ain, as well as key industrial and logistical hubs. 2. Comfort and luxury. Etihad Rail's luxury train is designed to provide passengers with a high level of comfort and opulence. The train features spacious seating, high-quality materials, and elegant interiors. Passengers can expect amenities such as Wi-Fi, power outlets, and entertainment options. 3. Dining. The luxury train offers a fine dining experience, with meals prepared by top chefs and a selection of international and regional cuisine. Passengers can enjoy their meals in a dedicated dining car or have them served at their seats. 4. Private suites. For those seeking additional privacy and comfort, the luxury train offers private suites with en-suite bathrooms, personal entertainment systems, and dedicated service. 5. Lounge cars. Passengers can relax and socialize in the train's lounge cars, which offer comfortable seating, a bar, and panoramic windows for enjoying the scenic views. 6. Accessibility. Etihad Rail's luxury train is designed to be accessible for passengers with disabilities, featuring wheelchair-accessible spaces, restrooms, and other necessary facilities. 7. Sustainability. The Etihad Rail network, including the luxury train, is designed with sustainability in mind. The trains are powered by diesel-electric engines, which are more fuel-efficient and produce fewer emissions than traditional diesel engines. 8. Safety and security. Etihad Rail prioritizes passenger safety and security, with advanced safety systems, regular maintenance, and trained staff to ensure a safe and secure journey. 9. Ticketing and reservations. Tickets for Etihad Rail's luxury train can be purchased online or through authorized travel agents. It's recommended to book in advance to secure your preferred travel dates and accommodation options. 10. Future expansion. Etihad Rail has plans to expand its network and services in the coming years, which may include additional luxury train routes and connections to neighboring countries. The train has the largest windows available on any similar train, providing a view of the desert's majesty and expanse. This train is built to top environmental standards ranging from sustainability to green credentials, taking tourists on an unprecedented journey and experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to take a journey on this train when visiting the UAE.